Hi, I am Hasibul Haq. In this session, I will try to show you how to create your own NuGet server or your local NuGet server. Using your own NuGet server, you can host your own packages, and using this local NuGet server, you can resolve your dependencies in your solution. So we'll do a couple of things here. So let's see what we'll do in our session. So first I will show you how to create a NuGet server application, and then we will host this application to our own IIS application server, and then we will create and push the packages to our local server. After pushing the packages to local server, we'll see how to access or how to browse our local packages from the Visual Studio. So let's move. So first I will show you how to create a NuGet server application. It's a very simple. We just create a NuGet server application by just taking the new web project. So what things we have to do here? Just first we will create a ASP.NET empty web application, and then we'll install packages, NuGet server package from the NuGet server. Actually this package available on NuGet server. We just need to install this, and after installing we'll build the application, and then our application is ready for host. So if we move to the side, here is the NuGet server, and this NuGet server actually the NuGet server application, and we'll host this application. If we want to create our application which will works as a NuGet server, then we have to install NuGet server package. So let's see how we can create a NuGet server application. Let's have a demo. So open up Visual Studio. We are going to create file new project. From the project we'll taking the ASP.NET empty application, then OK. So our application is here. This is a simple empty application. We just need to add the NuGet server package in our solution. So how we can do that? It's simple. Just from the tools menu, go to NuGet package console. So package manager console here, so just click it, and from the console just write install NuGet server and hit the enter. You will see the required component will be automatically installed in our new project. So you also install these packages in following in this way: from the reference manage NuGet package, and here search for NuGet server, and you also install from here. It just shown us that this is installed. If it is not installed, you will get the here install button, and then press the install button, you will get the install all the things. So you will see here lots of things installed in our project, lots of things. So all are done automatically. Here reference, lots of reference added here. So our application is ready for host. Let's build our application. So build successful, no error found. There is no error. So now our application is ready for host. So let's host our application. Now we are going to host our application. Before that, we need to set the API key for our NuGet server. So let's add API key. So we are searching for API. Here is the API. Suppose I am writing a simple API, my API 123. Will this API key to push the packages into our server. So let's host this. So from our application folder, we'll pick the so copy this and move to our IIS folder. Suppose here is hosted and just paste it. So here is our application. We'll create a simple site. An application, our site name is my NuGet, and the path is for me its path is NuGet demo hosted here, and we'll select the .NET Framework 4 open file as the application pool. So this is the hosting is done. So here just this is our NuGet server, and our server is ready. You can check it from the IE, because in IE you can navigate. So there is no package here because we still didn't push any package here. Let's see, push a sample package here, and then we'll see what is appearing here. If we push package here, then we'll see the list of packages available here. So let's see what things we have to know to push the packages on the NuGet server. So move my presentation. So now our object is to create and pushing a package to our local server. So at first we need a NuGet command line tools. So you can download the NuGet command line tools from the NuGet Codeplex site. So I'm moving the NuGet Codeplex site. Yes, NuGet Codeplex site is here. You will find all the necessary things for working with the NuGet. So in download tab, you will find NuGet and command line tool. Just press it, then it will install. It will download a simple exe file. So I'm waiting. What is so download. Here it is downloading. After downloading, you can access it from the command prompt. So NuGet exe, just you need to put this NuGet exe in a place. In my case, I have placed my NuGet command here. I have put it here, and if you start command prompt and NuGet, then you will see my NuGet is working. I didn't specify the path of NuGet because I have added the NuGet path in the environment variable. So environment path variable. So how you specify the NuGet path to environment? Let's see. From the device, the device manager. Sorry. System. From the advanced system and the environment, and here is the path variable path. Here you have to add the NuGet command path. If you add this, then you will find your NuGet is working from command prompt. So we have installed the NuGet command line tools and added to in our path variable. So what next? So you can install the NuGet package manager. This is used by the Visual Studio, and the NuGet browser, actually NuGet browser is used to browse the NuGet repository from your NuGet server. So let's move on. So our first task is to create a package. Let's see how we can create a package. So at first we'll create a spec, that means specification, and then we'll create a package from the specification, and then we'll push to package, and then we'll push our packages to a local server. Let's see. So we have three stages: create spec, create package, and push the package to local server. And then let's see what are the commands for creating a spec, that means creating a specification. So NuGet is, here is the NuGet and the spec, and here is the your assembly name. And just if you write this command, and a new spec file will be created, and then you have to create a package, and package will be created based on the new spec file. After creating package, you have to push. So this is the push command here: NuGet push your a new package file, and this is the output of the create package. And then you have to specify the API key, your server API key, and the source, that means your local server NuGet address. So actually these are the commands we will use to create a spec, package, push to the repository to our local server. So let's see how we can do that. So let's move on. We have a new we have assembly here. Simple. I'm starting from the assembly, and then I will show you how to create package from the project or CS pros file, that means. So let's see. Initially I want to create a package from this DLL. So what things I have to do? So first, move on the directory. Now we are in the assembly directory. So the first command was, what is our command was, sorry, our first command was create spec. So NuGet spec my_assembly.dll. so here NuGet spec and my DLL name. You see a specification file is created here, and you can modify the information here. So in my case, my file doesn't have any dependencies, so I have to remove the dependencies tag from here, and then the tag C, you will see here my DLL name is DB manager, so I'm getting tag here. You will also ID, set the ID, version, and other things you will change according to your demand. So just save it, and after that we have to create a package. So package command is psc pack. What we want to pack? We want to pack this new spec file. Yes. You will see package is created here, a new package. So we need to push this package into our local server. So actually, what is package? Actually, package is a zip file. If you see in this package and the zip, and extract it. Sorry, we don't extract it here. Let's see, extract it another folder. We'll see DLL here. So we'll create a package again. I just want to see the what's happening inside the a new package file. You will see in a new package file you will find your DL and new spec. So let's create the package again. So new spec is created, and our next task is to push this package into our local server. Let's see how we can push this. So if we want to move, then our server path is my NuGet and then NuGet. So we want to push, right? NuGet push. So what we want to push? Before that, I'm setting the source as you see. Source is, and then we have to set API key. API key. Like this. So what was our API keys? We set API key is my API 123. So this is API key, and our package name. What was our package name? Our package name is NuPKG. So we want to push our package here. So NuGet push, and want to push new package, and the source is our source. This application is running. Our source is, and the API key, and our API key my API 123 based on our config file. So so before that, I want to show you the words repository available. Click here to view the packages. Here no packages are available here. So after pushing, we will see what happened here. So your package was pushed, and if you refresh it here, then see a new YARD manager package is available on your local repository server. So then we'll see what we'll see. Now we'll see our package from the Visual Studio Package Explorer, that means package manager. So move to Visual Studio, and from there you will get the tools menu, and from there from tools and package manager settings. From there you have to add your own repository address here. So I want to add new, and this is called my NuGet, and the address is what is our address? So I have to move the here. This says that the address is my NuGet. So I'm adding it here, and then the update. Okay, So now manage NuGet manager, my NuGet, this is new what I have created, and you will see ERD manager is available here, and from now you can install your personal repository from your own NuGet server. So install it. Close. Okay, now let's see. We want to show you another thing. So what you see that after pressing the install button, it doesn't install the package. So we did everything, but package is not installing in our solution. So something is happening here. So because it is happening because we didn't follow the convention of our package. We just see the how to create a package, but there is a convention for creating the package. So here is actually the NuGet documentation site, docs.nuget.org, and if you want to create the package, then you have to consider this convention. This according to package convention, you have to leave folder which contains the assemblies. In our tutorial I show you, but I didn't create any leave folder, that's why I didn't add any package or assembly in our solution. So I have to create the leave directory, and then I have to put my the assembly there. So let's do that. Let's move in our assembly. I just moved DLL to the lib folder. So let's again create the first spec file first. So a new get spec, just name this ERD manager here. So just create the new spec file, and I have to edit this. I have to edit. There is no dependency here, and the tag is your DB manager, and Hasibul and others remain same, and I'm closing it. And from after package, I have to create the after creating new spec, I have to create the package PSCP pack, and my name is here. Then I press the enter. So here's the package, and then I have to push it again. So get push what I want to push. I want to push package. So package where, as like same what we did, and the API key, I shown you this process again because if you go to try with your own NuGet server, initially you will try in that way according to the documentation, but you will fail. Here you see I have tried the way of documentation. In first stage I failed, and then I'm just adopting the convention. Then we'll see what will happen, and from now you'll see it will work. So let's hit. So package push done. So I'm going here to see ERD manager, it's done. So again move our Visual Studio. So we are in our Visual Studio. We want to add our D manager from where? From my NuGet. So your D manager is available here. Install button, and now you see that it works because we mentioned the convention. So install, close it, and from the reference you will see your D manager is added. So you see how to create the local NuGet server, and then how to create packages, and then how to push the repository into the NuGet server. So this is the demo. So I think you learned how to do that. So let's see another approach, how we can create the NuGet package from the project. So consider we have a ERD manager project here. We also create the package from the CS pros file. Let's see how we can do that. So let's move on our solution directory and manager. So we'll create here the package, right? If you are going to create package from the project file, then you don't need to create a specification file. So let's see how to create the package from the project file. So this is our project file, and now NuGet dot pack. NuGet, what we want to pack? CSPOS. So you see the new package is created here. So in that way you can create the package from the project file, and then you can push your package to the local NuGet server. So I think you get the basic of the NuGet local server, and how to create package and how to push and how it works in your project. So here it just written how to get the I shown you how to browse the package from the Visual Studio. So I think this is a simple demo, and hope you enjoyed. And finally, thanks for watching.